Hi everyone, I am Mamta Mittal. Welcome to Art Explorer Academy. I am the art director at Art Explorer Academy.
Yes. Please bring your material. I am waiting. Okay. So I'll just wait for 2 minutes for more people to join. So you can get your stuff, haldi and kumkum like this. So you have to get haldi and kumkum like this. And 2 bowls of water. Okay. And your paint brushes. So one thick and one thin. Okay, so let's start the session. I hope everybody has got the material. Okay. So I'm just keeping it aside. Just wait. Okay, so you need to get the haldi, kumkum and water. Okay, so you just need to make a paste of haldi and kumkum. So you just add little water around it is 2 spoons. So depending upon, I took 1 spoon of haldi and 1 spoon of kumkum. Okay, so I just added 2 spoon of water and it's not happening. So I just need to add more water. So you can see. So this is like watercolor only. Okay. So you have to make it little liquidy. So it should be of this consistency. Okay. It's not very thick. It is very runny. Okay. So in 1 spoon of haldi, I've added almost around 5 spoon of water. Okay. I'll just clean the spoon and I'll add. So I need to get more water. So just wait. I'll just add water in the kumkum. So I've added around 2 spoon of water in almost half to 1 spoon of kumkum. Okay. So this is a very runny. You can see the consistency. It is very runny. Okay. So I'm just keeping it aside. And just keep your paper vertical like this. and take out your brush. So big brush is enough, so you can use big brush. Okay, so I'm using a bigger brush like this one. So this is what we are going to make today. Okay, so we will make little changes because it was yesterday was Onam. So we will make a Onam painting using a Haldi Kumkum. Okay, so it has two shades, yellow and red. So we will make the background with Haldi and Kumkum, and on top of that we will use black sketch pen to make the design of the Onam. Okay. So this is the design of the Onam. So we will make this design. Okay. So this is the design of our painting. Okay. So let's do it. So first we are going to use yellow. Just make a line in the middle like this, little up than the middle, little up, little up. So this is the half of the page, and I am making a line little up than the half of the page. So here, okay, with the pencil. Okay, so I just made a line with the pencil. So it's not compulsory. You can just directly paint it. So we are going to use Haldi. So I'm just dipping my brush in the Haldi, and you have to just wipe your brush and take out the excess of Haldi, and don't take too much of water. Your paper will become too wet and it may tear. Okay, so just start applying from the top like this. So it's a natural color. So earlier when there were no synthetic colors, people used to use the natural color for the painting. In all the festivals, if you know that they used to make use of Haldi and Kumkum to make the paintings on the wall. Okay, for different occasions. So this is what Haldi is, a yellow color, golden yellow. So it will give you golden yellow effect. Okay, so this is how I have applied the yellow color on the top. Just going to apply the yellow color this much bottom. So just wipe it. Don't take too much of water in the brush. So you have to wipe your brush like this. So they are like watercolor only. If you know how to make use of watercolor, then it will be easy for you to do the Haldi Kumkum painting. So we are making the background first. Since yesterday was Onam, so I chose the Onam theme. So on top of this background, you can choose any theme of your choice and make the painting. So I just applied the yellow color on the top and on the bottom. What do we need for the class today? Yes, people who are 4-year-old and who are not interested in Haldi Kumkum painting, they can leave. Otherwise, 4-year-old also can do it because it's not very tough. Okay. So just you need to apply the Haldi on the paper. So make use of long strokes so that your painting comes out clean. Okay. So now I have just cleaned the brush with the water and wipe it with the cloth Now I'm going to make use of and start applying from here. Just take out the excess of So in the lockdown, when people were not having the stuff, art supplies, and they wanted to do the painting, so I have seen many people were doing the Haldi Kumkum painting in the lockdown, because that is the easiest material available at your home, and creativity has no limits. So you can show your creativity with the material available with you. Okay. So if you don't want to use Haldi Kumkum, you can use watercolor as well. Okay. So this is our, so I'm just applying little more of red in the middle. To make it more bright. Okay. So this is done. Now the paper is wet. So just let it dry. So I'm just wiping it from the board so that it dries a little fast. So just let it dry, and then we will move on to the design part of it. So you can just keep your brush clean, and you can just give very little shades of red on top of yellow also. Just very little shade of. Okay. Like this. Actually, the printer paper is watercolor painting. So if you have watercolor paper, then that is good. Otherwise, you are normal draw. Just let it dry for 5 minutes. I'm just removing the board so that, yeah. So once it is dry, then we can do the designing with the sketch pen. So use permanent marker. What do we need for today's class? We need Haldi Kumkum, 2 bowls of water, paint brushes and a plate. So don't do this on the paper. Don't rub the paper. Let it dry first. So all the extra Haldi and Kumkum will come out. Okay, don't try to rub it from your hand. I'm just waiting for this to dry. So please post your work of the previous class also and the last week also. Very few people have posted the last week work. The greeting cards, all of you have made such a beautiful greeting card. So please post it on the FB. So I've shared the link already. So please post your work on the FB. Okay, so now my paper is little wet but almost dry. So I'll just wait for 5 more minutes since we have time. So no hurry. Okay, so you can do it as per your speed and let the paper dry first. You can switch on the fan so that it will dry faster. You have to use sketch pen only when your paper is dry. I'm just waiting for my paper to dry. You can see that half of the paper is already dry, only from the sides it is little wet. Okay. So now you can take this permanent marker if your paper is dry. Okay. Otherwise you can wait for 5 more minutes for this to dry. And then you can just use the permanent marker. So we have made a line over there. So just make a line on top. So see, this is wet. It is not working. So I need to wait more. Vaibhav is saying that his is full dry. Okay, very good, Vaibhav. I'm waiting for the paper to dry. Yes, Tejas is also full dry. Okay, Tejas. Vaibhav's is also full dry. Can we use watercolor as Agastya don't have marker right now? Yes, you can use black watercolor, black poster color also you can use. Okay. So if your paper is not getting dry, then you can use watercolor and paper. I will also see if it dries faster, then I will use this. See, my marker is not working on this because it is still wet. Okay. So I think I'll use the black poster color or black watercolor I'll use. So this is black tempera color. I will use this. So you have to be very careful with the black color. Otherwise, it will just spoil your painting. Okay. So I'm just keeping it here. and take a brush and just took the little bit of black color. So I just took out the black color in the plate a little bit. You can use small brush and just wipe off the extra color. And apply in the line which we have made in the center. Okay. So I feel it is better to use black watercolor only or poster color, because it will take time for the paper to dry. Okay, so I just made a line with the brush. So I'm making the mountains. So just make the mountain with the flow. And few more. Yeah. Okay, like this. So now we will be making a Onam boat. So there is a boat race in Kerala on the occasion of Onam. Okay. So the boat is very easy to make. So we will make it's a kind of this shape. Okay. So just make it little pointy at the edge using the small brush, and from here you have to make it little wide. So it is the shape of the shoe. So this is how you have to make the boat. So this is thin at the top and little wide at the bottom so that people can sit in this. Okay. So, and just making few design here for the edge of the boat. And with the small brush, you can make the people sitting in the boat. So I'm just taking the small brush, 0 number brush, and I'm just making a circle and a oval. Okay, so similarly, see, this just black color here. It's okay. So I'll make few more people sitting in the boat. So just one circle up, small one, and oval. So just now more small. Yes, I will send the picture in the group. Don't worry about that. Okay. So there are many people sitting in the boat and boat is full. So just make a circle and an oval at the bottom. So you will see that we can make the people. So now, because they start the race from the morning and it goes till evening, and it's very hot, so some people are holding the umbrella. So this is the handle of the umbrella, and umbrella is very easy. I know that everybody can make an umbrella easily. So this is the umbrella I have made. So you can make more umbrella. So I'm making one more umbrella, small one here. So 2 are sufficient. So this person is holding one more umbrella and a bit small. So this is another umbrella. Okay. Okay. So now, so with a very small 0 number brush, you have to make the lines. So they are so there is a little ripples in the water. So you can just make small ripples, small broken lines like this. So these are the ripples in the water when they are running the boat. Okay, like this. And they are holding these sticks to drive the boat. Okay, so now I am making few trees, coconut trees. So let's make a tree here, a big tree which is coming from the side and is little round like this. Okay. So just make the stem little, it's thin from the top and little thick from the bottom. So the tree is coming from the side because the boat is passing through the island. Okay. So like this, and then you can just make the branches of the tree. So how will you make the branches of the tree? Just extend it a little more up and one here like this. Two and three and four and five. Okay. So just make the small strokes like this. Just fill the tree branches. Can we draw any boat? See, you can draw any boat, but I am making a painting for Onam. So that's why I have made this kind of specific boat, because the boat race is the main festival of Kerala. And it is main part of the Onam festival. Okay, so this is one tree. So we can add more trees. So you can just add one more small tree here, like this. So I'm just using simple watercolor, black tempera color. And we made the background with haldi kumkum. So you can make the background with the red and yellow color also. So that is your choice. But I showed you, if you don't have the material, then how to make use of the things available at home. Okay. So I just made the 5 branches. Let me make the stem a little more thick. And just fill up the tree. So this is how you can develop the tree. Right? So okay, so we are done with 2 trees. So you can add few more trees at the background. So because they are very far, so they look very small. So you have to be careful. If your paint is wet, don't keep the hand on it. So I'm just making 2 trees which are very small. They are also coconut trees. So you have to do with the 0 number brush. Just develop the tree. Like this. Don't take too much of water in the brush. If you have any doubt, you can type it in the chat box. And we are almost done with our painting, and I hope you have enjoyed the session. And I would like to see your beautiful work. Please post it on the FB. Don't forget it. I have already shared the link. I want to see the wonderful creation you have made. Yeah, so we are done with the trees. If you want, you can add a white color sun over here. When we have to use glue, so we don't have to use glue. That was optional. So initially I thought we will make it in a circle and then we will cut the circle and paste it on the another paper. So then later I thought this will also work. So you can make few birds in the background. So this is a bird flying in the sky. Another bird. One more. And one more. Yeah. So it's a flock of birds. Okay. So this was our painting for the day. And I feel it's quite beautiful. So you can just clean your brush and wipe it and take the white color if you want. So your brush should be clean and you can just make a big sun. So for doing the white color, your brush should be clean and your water also should be clean. Then only you will get the white color shade. Okay. So this is done. And just make a very light reflection of the sunlight in the water. That's it. Yeah. So we are done. So marvelous, amazing, gorgeous. Your painting is beautiful. Your painting is beautiful too, dear. Sonakshi, Mohan, Kashvi. So this is our Onam painting for the day. So I've just put everybody on unmute. So you can just talk and tell me if you have any doubt.
Ma'am, I'm finished. Ma'am, I'll do the boat and the trees later. So This is it.
Yeah, so this looks good, Kavish. Very nice.
Ma'am, can I show you my painting?
Yes, yes, I'm sitting here to see your painting only. You guys are doing wonderful job. Wow.
Painting? Ma'am,
Very nice.
ma'am,
Arav,
how is
very
my
nice.
painting?
Very beautiful, lovely, lovely. Tejas Nair, beautiful.
Ma'am, I just took a bit of natural paint, but it just has a big cans.
That's okay. So you can use any color. So I just gave you a demo of how to use the Hitanshi. Very beautiful. Very nice, Hitanshi. Lovely. Sonakshi, Hardik, Mohit, Sneha,
Thank you, ma'am.
Arush, Rama.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please switch on your camera and show me your painting, and don't forget to send the picture. Shravya, beautiful.
Ma'am, my
Lovely.
picture is not ready. My painting is totally now complete.
Himaya Jain, very
Ma'am,
nice.
can you see? I also loved my painting a lot. Ma'am, I also loved my painting a lot.
Himaya Jain, wow. Riyansh Jain, lovely. But
Ma'am,
you have to send me
don't mind.
the
I'm
picture.
just talking about Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
All of you have to send the picture, okay? And Mohan is doing
Okay, ma'am. We will remember to send you a picture of our paintings.
Sure.
Ma'am, I need to complete some.
Vaibhav, yes, Vaibhav. Very nice, Vaibhav. Very nice. Sarika, beautiful, Sarika. Lovely. Please share your pictures, everybody. Please share the pictures. You can send it to me as well, okay?
And ma'am, take a look. Even my color box has a color menu.
Oh, wow.
So
lovely.
many type colors.
Lovely, lovely.
When you open it, it has the color menu, but when you close it, you will not see it. Trying, ma'am.
Yes, who is speaking?
Ma'am, now can I leave the session?
Yes, whoever is done, they can leave. So session is over.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am. We will remember the instructions.
Bye, Lakshmi. Bye, Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, can I show my before drawing? Bye.
Yes, show me.
Thank you. Ma'am, I drew beehive. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day. Have a wonderful day.
Yes, Kavish. Okay. Yeah, this is nice, Kavish. But you need to add little more of green dots because green, the tree is full of the greenery, right? So yours is looking little empty. So you can add more of green color.
Okay, ma'am. Also, okay. I drew beehive to show where those bees are going.
Okay,
Bye,
okay.
ma'am.
Show me again.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye, everyone. So, Vaibhav, you are done?
Can yes, I go? Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You can go, beta. Okay, bye,
everyone. Bye, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful session.